Hi. There's something I forgot to show in the last video that I got to. I bought this for my drone. I'll show you, take out the parrot, unzip it. Not too easy to do one-handed. Sorry, I'm gonna have to put you down. So, okay, see these red caps? They go over the motor. They keep the dust and stuff out of it. Sorry, that's what this is for. And there's the website to get it. Actually, I got mine from Amazon. Let's see. And I have flown it, and it flies fine with those, with the caps on. It flies really good still. I like it because now I can't get, there's no dust or dirt or whatever going to get into it. Okay, just wanted to do a quick video on that, and I wanted to include it with the other one that I did about the case, and I forgot all about it. Okay, thanks. Like, subscribe, appreciate you. Help my channel grow if you do. Do more reviews coming up. Thank you. Bye.